Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to save file in Canva using your phone. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, let me open any file from here so that I can show you how to save your file. It is pretty easy. You just need to open your file first. So let's suppose this is a file which I want to save in my device. So for that you will see the option at the top right corner. We just need to click on that icon, and here you will find the option for download. Just click on download, and this is the option to choose your file format. I'm going to save my file in JPG format, so I can just select it from here. Once you set your format, you will see other things like size and quality. You can just choose that according to you, but it is in pro version and I'm using the free one, so I'm not able to use this function. But anyways, once you're done with this, you just need to click on download, and after you click on download you will see that the design is preparing, and here we just need to wait for some seconds, and then you will see that the file is saved to our gallery. Now in case if you're wondering how you can see that file, just go to your file explorer, and here you will find that the Canva created a folder here. We just need to click there, and yeah, there you go. This is the file which we have saved to our phone. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.